So we got two cinnamons going at each other, cinnamon A and cinnamon B. Who's gonna win the fight to compete for the Sri Lankan style chicken curry? Y'all guessed it, the winner is cinnamon B. What's up, y'all? Today I'll be doing a Sri Lankan style chicken curry with cinnamon B, the true cinnamon, and this is a very easy recipe that fits most diets like paleo, keto, and Whole30. Let's go.
Alright, y'all, the first thing, I just toasted some coriander seeds. I didn't have coriander powder that was already grounded up. I didn't buy it from the store. So I just toasted up some coriander seeds, plus it gives it a better flavor for the chicken curry. Just want to put it on medium heat and just toast it, and you don't want to toast it too much. And then get a coffee grinder and then grind up your spice. You know, basically grind up the coriander seeds. If it looks like that, that's pretty good. And next, I was toasting up some fennel seeds. I didn't have fennel powder. If you have fennel powder, you can go ahead and use that. So same deal. Toast it up and then grind it up, and as long as it looks powder form, you're good to go. Now I know some of these ingredients are harder to identify, but you got curry leaves on the left with some lemongrass, and then some pandan leaves on the right with cinnamon and some cardamom. And add your onion in the chopper, chop it up real fine because it's gonna add to the depth of the curry. Do the same thing with your ginger and your garlic. Also make sure to chop up your tomatoes, mortar and pestle, the green cardamom, and you can add that to your curry. And right now I'm adding some grapeseed oil with some coconut oil. You know, just give it the coconut flavor because it is a coconut curry. That right there is some fenugreek seeds. You want to toast that, but you don't want to burn it. And that is the Sri Lankan staple, curry leaves. You gotta get it. You can get it from Indian stores. I added some chili right there, and then basically toasting it all up. It gives you that depth flavor. Add some garlic and ginger, always adding more flavor to the curry. Of course, you got to pay your salt tax. And now you put the onion in. You want to saute the onion and, you know, make sure the onion gets softer. And those are my spices right there. I will go through each and every one of them. So first you want to add the coriander, then the fennel, then the cumin, then the smoked paprika, turmeric, red chili powder, salt, and pepper. I just added in because I didn't want to do it one by one. And basically you're now toasting the spices. So you want to toast the spices, then add a little tablespoon of tomato paste because for extra tomato flavor, and then add your chopped tomato. Now you can add your whole spices, starting with the pandan leaves, some bruised lemongrass, some green cardamom, and star of the show, Sri Lankan style cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon. Now what I did with this chicken is I put this chicken in a little bit of coconut water, chilies, and basil, and I brined it for like a day, and then I chopped it up and then put that whole chicken with this whole mixture. It's also called a masala. You basically want to coat all that sauce around the chicken, and at this point you don't have to add any water. I basically made the mistake of putting the pandan leaves and the lemongrass and the cinnamon a little too early, but this is the time to add it. And make sure you bring it up to a boil, and when it comes to a boil you want to put the lid on and put it on simmer, put it on low. You see that right there? That's what you want to do. Now you want to cook this on simmer for 40 to 50 minutes. This was around like the 35-minute mark. I basically kind of checked it, make sure, you know, it's on its way to cooking. And here's some ASMR for you guys. At this point I checked for salt and added some lime juice and a little bit of salt, and added a whole can of coconut milk. That's about 2 cups. And this is what makes the chicken curry so flavorful. And there it is, guys, the Sri Lankan style chicken curry with cauliflower yellow rice. I will go through that recipe another time for y'all, but you can eat this with white rice or any type of flatbread.
Damn. All right, y'all. My girlfriend already started eating this chicken. What do you think about it, babe?
It's really yummy. It's super flavorful. It might be a little spicy for me, but that's just because I'm a tenderoni, like he says sometimes. But it's really yummy. It's really good, and as you can see, I can't stop eating it.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll be making more videos in the future. Until then, feast with Pete.